Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Today, bail has been granted to Ajay Gupta in the Birch Fire Tragedy. He was accused number 1 in this matter. Probably, we tried to put up before the court in our arguments that his role, then the allegation of forgery, etc. These were not materials that could be established in the whole investigation process. And we are waiting for the detailed order. We'll see on the order. But the conditions which are imposed against him for bail are, one is 50,000 surety, and other regular conditions like not to leave the country, address, and other details, not to tamper with evidence. All these conditions are put up while the court pronounced the order.